it is cold. It's
It
getting
is
cold.
cold.
It's getting cold outside.
Why does it feel colder now than when it was dark?
Here's some hot coffee, honey.
A little bit of windy wind.
Mm-hmm.
That'll do it. That makes you colder.
Alright. Get your coffee around. Ooh, it is feel.
I got the chiveries.
Well, we're not. I know we're not near the fire now, but it
That's true.
does seem like it's actually colder. Because I did comment before how it seemed
To have gotten warmer.
Yeah, not too bad. You know, and now it's starting to get. I think the temp's dropping now, which is funny because the rain has subsided and the sky has opened up a bit.
This is supposed to be the coldest day for the weekend, so.
Nailed it.
Yep, definitely feels chillier.
Okay, let's see. The morning.
Oh, we've been up for about 2 hours.
Yeah, moving up. Heard some stuff. Saw some deer, which is fun in the woods. We were trying out our spotlight still for a headlamp that's still going good. So, yeah. Just enjoying some coffee.
And then we're gonna do canned bread.
Here it is. In the moment we've all been waiting for, B&M's, a New England tradition. Brown bread with raisins, ready to serve.
Or a raisin.
Looks like it's steaming. There's a little white mark in there. So this is what it is. There's a regular brown bread. I don't know what other kind of varieties they have, but so
Plain and raisin.
Comes on the side. Just plain and raisin, huh? Oh, there's just.
Is it working?
It is.
This is a free can opener from a yard sale.
Yeah.
You know, they're like, who wants a can opener anymore? I was like,
We
free?
did.
I'll put that in the camp box.
Yeah. Nailed it.
And it worked. Oh. Looks like a turd. Like a meatloaf.
Ground beef. Like the heel of like a ground meat pack.
Yeah, like a chub roll of beef. It says to open both ends, so you're gonna have to
both ends.
Just put a suction hole.
Oh, gotcha.
Or a release suction hole.
A hole that sucks.
Unsucks. Just release, and then your bread's gonna go bloop right on the table. Okay. No.
Right.
Hello, come out. You want to?
Oh, this one's not. Relax.
Okay, we'll open it all the way.
Yeah, fine. Doesn't matter.
The bread won't come out.
That's all right.
Hey, we've never eaten bread from a can before.
No, we have not.
This is quite interesting.
It is.
Oh yeah, we'll have to look. I think it did say 1 pound.
1 pound of bread.
1 pound of bread in a can.
This is.
No, you didn't go all the way.
Because that's deeper. The bottom is deeper than the top.
Well, that makes sense. It's usually how some cans are made.
Pop.
There we are.
We got it.
It's a little stuck to the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Like it was baked in there or something.
Yeah, baked in.
Goodness, baked in goodness.
Let's try to help it release a little bit.
What is its problem?
Stuck in a can.
Got a little sticky.
Yeah. I almost say like you should have cut it on the side.
Yeah.
So it's not caught. But this thing. How old is this thing? I wonder. Interesting.
Third date. Not a date on this one. Third date on that one. Here we go. Let's just say Best Buy, May 31st of 25, maybe 1925.
1925. Wow. I was hoping to push it through with your.
She's stuck. Oh.
Got it. It's just bread. All right. Cleans right off.
I'm not disgusted about that. I was just more about the way it came out the top.
Yep.
Like a cookie press.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nailed it.
Play-Doh.
Everything's got duality here. Everything's so we can use the things for many things.
We don't even need that right now.
Yep.
Now you won't burn your lips.
Right. Okay.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Well, it is.
Are you ready?
It smells like raisin bread. Kind of
Like molasses.
molasses, blackstrap molasses. Yes. Okay.
It smells like molasses. I didn't smell any raisins. Wait, do you want to... Oh, you want to eat it plain?
Yeah.
And then you want to fry some up?
Mm-hmm. Let's try it. You can half it. Oh, looks like bread on the inside.
Smells like molasses.
Mm-hmm. I like molasses.
It's like a dense bread.
Mm-hmm. It's very dense.
Real dense.
Look at that.
And kind of moist.
It does look like bread. It's
sweet.
Mm-hmm. I like.
It smells
I would hope it'd be sweet.
sweet.
I hope it.
You
I
ready?
hope it's. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Cheers. And I got coffee here.
Moist.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely not a dry bread.
Mm-mm.
I mean, it's like cooked fully. It's not raw or anything, but it is very heavy, dense, moist.
Sweet.
I totally get nothing but molasses. But I didn't bite a raisin yet. It feels like it's maybe a holiday thing.
A New England traditions are usually centered around events like holidays and stuff, so that makes sense. Maybe the little with your cranberry sauce.
Oh, I do like canned cranberry sauce, jelly. With a tea, this would be really good. I think.
Going good well with the coffee.
With the coffee. It's not bad. We're still eating it.
Mm-hmm. So I'm still eating it.
It's kind of like the consistency maybe of a brownie.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Or like one of those muffins.
It's real moist and dense.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I can say.
I'm not offended by it.
It's not awful, but I wouldn't say, "Hey, babe, we need to go get a can of that bread." Can of that bread. It's nice for camping.
I made sure I saved the canopers until after this, because if this was bad, then I could have a canoper as a palate cleanser. But we are definitely feasting upon canned bread right now.
Feast.
The feast of
And
bread.
there's butter. We have butter.
Yeah, we should put butter on it too.
We should try it like that, and then we'll have to fry it up, of course. Use your butter.
All right. Well, we're gonna fry some up too, and we'll be back. Guys, we have it. Let's see if you can see it. Fried up with some kielbasa. They look like burgers.
They look like hamburgers.
Yep.
They're not gonna taste like a hamburger.
There you go. They look like fried up a little bit.
Ooh, it is crunchy. You gave me the crunchy one. I like it like that.
They are rich. It kind of even brings out even more of that
The
molasses.
Mm-hmm. Because it gets like, ooh, that's good. Okay, so my dad likes to fry up sticky buns like this. That's what I'm getting from this.
Sticky bun.
Yeah, a nice sweet. I much prefer it fried.
Mm-hmm.
The texture is better.
Better.
Like a little drier. It's not as thick. I like the crunch.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
I kind of liked it out of the can, but I'm weird.
I think the molasses flavor kind of goes away.
I ate spam
And
out of the can too, so.
You are, because you're weird. It like caramelizes.
Mm-hmm.
and
And
the
you like,
molasses flavor is not there as strong as it is when it's fresh out the can.
Mhm.
Fresh out the can.
I can say now that I don't believe this is the last time we'll be having bread out of a can.
You're right. I might ask for this again. I might ask for it fried again. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Almost like a
little Irish butter and on a cast iron fry up.
yeah, it's really good.
Still goes really good with coffee too. And the kielbasi's not bad either.
That was my first kielbasi bite.
What do you rate the bread out of a can?
Bread out of a can.
Mm-hmm.
Fried? To 10? I almost give it like a 8.5.
Out of the can, I'll give it an as advertised 7 out of 10. Fried, it kicks it up that notch. I'd give it an 8.5. I'm cool with it.
I'd say out of the can for me,
It's like a 6.
5, 6.
So right out.
It's pretty. It's like I said, I wouldn't ask for it again out of the can.
Right, that's true. But fried
is much better.
Completely changed your idea.
Yeah, the molasses flavor is kind of calmed down. And excuse us.
We really didn't hear much of this. We really didn't have to deal with much of that noise, even though 36 isn't very far away. Been really quiet generally. 36 isn't hugely traveled. It is, but it's not massively traveled. I actually enjoyed the bread out of the can, like right out of the can. I thought it was actually, that's just pretty, and it was moist. It was nice. But I was expecting like dry and weird. I really enjoyed it compared to like what I thought it was going to be. I'm a picky eater. And then fried is cool too. It's a whole I like the crunch. I like it goes well with the coffee still. It's like she said, it is more like caramelized. One of the biggest things that I'm actually liking about it is I really haven't had to deal with much raisins.
I didn't feel the raisins either. Feel or taste, I would guess.
I can see them.
They're like dark spots.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fun. It's a fun New England tradition.
That's right. It's actually pretty tasty, fried.
Mm-hmm.
Pan fried, not deep fried.
Pan fried.
Might be all right, deep fried.
Yeah, bread out of a can. I didn't even know this such thing existed. And cheers to Cliff, the wandering woodsman. It was really fun. He was camping at French Creek. So either he got it or someone sent it to him, and we had to try it. So
We did.
he didn't fry it up though. So Cliff, try it again and fry it up.
Mm-hmm.
So this has been Paul
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers.
Get
And we'll get
outdoors.
back to you with more camping action, so stay tuned.